So we're talking about what do we need to release or let go, or reclaim, right? So wow, I heard big words there, even just like surrender and working on that every day. Thank you there in the chat. How I think should happen or what is possible. Yeah, that's a big one too. Yeah. Sometimes shoulds kind of get in the way and it creates like all this pressure for us or expectations or disappointment. Yeah, all of those things. I love that. Yes. And thank you for sharing. I think sometimes we don't realize how much we are alike, how many similarities are in the room. That brings me into why this retreat. So like this space is for you. And because we do carry a lot. And I think particularly for those that do, we can't always let everybody know what we're carrying, right? Like they just can't handle it. They don't have the patience for it or the presence for us either. So I think it's important to have spaces that you can do that, right? We are carrying a lot. It's showing up emotionally, it's showing up physically. We're dealing with burnout, high blood pressure, self-doubt. And, you know, it's a statistic, but it's also our lives and it's also our stories. And we really do deserve spaces that interrupt that pattern.